only Guruvayurappan. It's our great good fortune, great bhagyam to have satsangam. We are learning Srimad Bhagavatam in Sunday class, Sunday morning in US and evening in India. We have been studying the story of Dhruva from 4.8. Now we have come to 4.9 towards the end of the chapter. So, beautiful Katha of Bhagavan. It is most precious. Katha Shravanam and Kirtanam, Nama Kirtanam, these are all so precious. As long as the Aham is there in us, we have to keep facing Sukha Dukkha. As long as the Aham is there. The easy way to melt that Aham Bhav is to hear Katha of Bhagavan again and again. Not even by Aikyam Te Dana Homa Vrata Niyama Tapa Sankhya Yogair Durabam Tvatsange Naiva Gopyaha Kila Sukriti Tamaha Prapurananda Sandram Bhakteshvanyeshu Bhuyasvapi Bahumanushe Bhaktimeva Tvamasam Tanme Tvat-bhaktimeva Dradaya Haragadan Krishnavadalayisha Aikyam Te Dana. People may say, I will do lot of dana and I will get punya, then I will be happy. Karna was great dani, but when he was on the wrong side, so he was destroyed. Dana, homa, where many people will do great yaga and yajna and spend lot of resources and time and effort and do. But the Vipra Patnis, their husbands, doing so much yaga, did not have bhakti, but the wives attained Bhagavan by bhakti alone. Aikyam te dana homa vratha. So many people will say, I'm going to get Vairagya, I will observe Ekadashi Vrata. And today only Nirjalam. Then after 10 o'clock, there's only milk or only water first. First Nirjalam, upper little water. Upper lunchtime I will want some milk. Upper konja ganji, only fruits. Like this, Vrata is very difficult to observe. Aikyam te dana homa vrata niyama, so much yoga, asana, niyama, always observing the rules of proper conduct, always speaking truth and always having self-discipline, all very difficult. Dana, homa, vrata, niyama, tapa, Sankhya yoga is understanding Prakriti, Purusha is this, Prakriti is this, and what are the 24 tattvas, and then understanding and going deeper and deeper inside by dhyana. All this, very difficult to do, but the gopis, by bhakti alone. How did they do bhakti? Hearing the katha, and again, singing the glories of Bhagavan. When Krishna is there in Vraj, they are having Krishna Sangam, Adave Bhakti, that is easy. But when Krishna left also, always Twatprodganai Sahidamanisham Sarvado Geha Krityam, always singing the glories of Bhagavan and doing their daily household work. So the Katha of Bhagavan is the one that keeps me going. Okay, so to hear Katha, to say Katha, it's amazing. No matter whatever challenge come, when you come back to Katha, it gives us positive energy. And so Mahans say the Katha Shravanam is the easy way, by hearing Shravanam. First thing Prahlada says, Shravanam. So by Shravanam alone we can attain Bhagavan. Dana, Homa, Vrata, Tapa, always all you can do, but takes so long, so hard. But hearing Katha is going to easily take us to Bhagavan. Tirthasthala, people will say, kya subah se they are doing kirtan, ek hi jagah mein baithte hain, kirtan, nama, kya hai usme? People will say, what is there? There was a bhakta called Raidas ji in Kashi, and Kashi Raja used to have a Brahmana take daily offering to Ganga Mata and do puja. daily going to Ganga Mata, offering Dhupa Deepa Arati and offerings and do puja to Ganga Mata. This Kashi Raja was doing sending a Brahmana daily. This Brahmana will say this person he's staying right near Ganga, but he never goes once and takes dip in Ganga. Raidas ji. So Tirtha Yatra, people take so much trouble to go up and down and take bus tour or whatever and go to Tirtha Yatra. Even you can sit at home and hear Katha, same, you will be cleansed even faster. So the Brahmana is telling, you are so near this Ganga, you never even go once. So Raidas ji says, Acha, you want me to go on? I don't feel the need to go, but if you are saying so much here, take 2 bananas and please take these 2 bananas and offer them on my behalf to Ganga Mata. So the Brahmana said, okay. So he took the 2 bananas and he went to Ganga Mata. And the moment he offered the banana, beautiful golden hands emerged from the river and they accept the bananas, and then the hands say, here, give this kankan, and beautiful gem-studded kankan. She says, give this to my bhakta Raidasi. So why Raidasi? Because he is a bhakta. Continuous Nama. Nama Ganga is running inside. It doesn't need to go do Tirtha Seva. So this is the same with Bhagavatam. Our Guruji, 2 things. Nama Bhagavatam. Nama Bhagavatam. Nama Bhagavatam. In Atlanta, many satsangis were fortunate to visit Guruji during Guruji Jayanti. They took the initiative to go, even in spite of all this COVID challenge. They came back and gave us Guruji's message. And they say Guruji is very pleased with all the satsang programs happening in Atlanta. And more and more Bhagavatam, more and more Nama Piksha has to happen. So this Nama, always he shares something. One thing sticks out to me. Mahans have, they have the divine vision. They are called the seer, right? If we are standing in the seashore, I can only see the water. I cannot see what is on the opposite side, the other bank. But Mahans have distant vision. They can see. So whenever any person goes in that space, when Mahans see them, they either see like a blue aura, blue light, or they will see sometimes yellow light, or sometimes they will see dark light, like dark circle, or they will see golden aura. So the person who goes, he doesn't know, the person doesn't know anything. But Mahas are able to see a certain aura when you go there. So many times I used to say 5,000 people in Ekadashi Darshan. I took my son and I said, Guruji, I brought my son today. Guruji has never seen him. But when I said like that, Guruji said, Paatene. அப்போ அவர் எப்படி பார்க்குறாரு 5,000ல அவருக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் இது என்னோட son, right? So that is how Mahans are able to see some light, some indication they get about you, and so they are able to see which god or which type of sadhana is most effective for you, and they take you in that. So our Bhakta Kishorji says, when somebody has chanted so much nama, there will be a golden aura in them, it seems. So when you chant day and night Nama or Nama Sankirtana, Hare Rama Mahamantra, the same golden aura will be by Guruji, and they get the same effect which people do tapas or yoga or bratha or dana or everything, or Sankhya yoga, all these, the same effect you get by Namakirtana, Katha Shravana, these two are enough for us. So that is the beauty of Bhagavatam. So in this Bhagavatam only, we are studying the story of beautiful Dhruva Charitram. So we have studied many shlokas. Let us review some shlokas from 4.9 and then let us finish the chapter and start the next one. So let me start a little bit at the beginning. Maitreya Vacha Ta eva mutsun स एव मुत्सन्नभया उरुक्रमे ऋतावनामाः प्रययुस्त्रिविष्टपम् सहस्रशीर्षापि तदोगरुत्मदा मधुर्वनं हृत्य दिदृक्षया गतः स वै धिया योगविपाकतीव्रया हृत्पद्मकोशे स्फुरितं तटिप्रभम् तिरोहितं सहसैवोपलक्ष्य बहिस्थितं तदवस्थं ददर्श. Now go to shloka number. Let us do Dhruva Stuti. Dhruva Uvacha Yontah Pravisya Mama Vacha Nimam Prasukta Sanjeevayatya Kita Shaktidhara Swadhamna Anyam Sahasta Charana Shravanattvadi Prananamo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam आकर्ण्यात्मजम् आयान्तं सम्पर्यत्य यथागतं राजा न श्रद्धते भद्रम् अभद्रस्य कुतो मम श्रद्धाय वाक्यं देवर्षेः हर्षवेगेन धर्षितः वार्ताहर्तुरतिप्रीतो हारं प्रादान् महाधनम्. And that important shloka, यस्य प्रसन्नो भगवान् गुणैः मैत्र्यादिभिर्हरिः तस्मै नमन्ति भूतानि निम्नमापैव स्वयम्. Suruchi was the one who sent Dhruva by insulting. Now Suruchi is hugging Dhruva and tears are flowing from her face. How did this transformation take place? This is by grace Dhruva. So always say the swabhava, it is very difficult to change one's nature. But who can change? How does transformation happen? Only by satsangam, only by Mahan's darshan, only by Bhagavan's grace. When Bhagavan, Dhruva had darshan of Bhagavan, everything changed, and so Suruchi would mind change. Otherwise, the mind is always the same way. It is habituated to do certain things certain way. The habits are always, making the mind, holding it and not making it progress. So we have to overcome habit and create new good habits. So coming to Katha, hearing Bhagavatam, chanting at least 10 minutes. Guruji has said 10 minutes before now and all, 1 hour minimum cholirka. 1 hour minimum, everyone has to chant Nama in their house. So, like this, Nama, as we keep chanting Nama, the words Nama will appear like Aksharam in front of us, and the Nama itself will unite us with that Brahman. Suddenly, you won't even realize. So, like that, the Nama alone, and then this Katha, chanting, hearing Katha. If you get really tired of Nama, then go to Katha. Then if Katha is little bit change you want from Katha, then do Yugala Seva. So Nama, Bhagavatam, Yugala Seva, Dham Vas, staying in ashram, doing Vrindavan Vas. This is also another way. So Mati we can do this sadhana little bit to attain Bhagavan's grace immediately. So Suruchi's mind, which is very difficult to transform, you may say 100 things to people, they will never listen. But with one glance of Mahan, the transformation happens without even you realizing. With the darshan of Bhagavan, Dhruva is transformed, and that effect, now Suruchi is transformed. So we saw all are welcoming Dhruva. Lalyamanam janairevam Dhruvam sabhrataram nrupaha aropya karinim drishtaha stuyamano avishatpuram. लाल्यमानं जनैरेवं ध्रुवं सभ्रातरं नृपः आरोप्य कारिणीं दृष्टः स्तूयमानो विशत्पुरम् तत्रोपसंक्लिप्तैः लसन्मकरतोरणैः सवृन्दैः कदलीस्तम्भैः पूगपोतैश्च तद्विधैः तत्रोपसंक्लिप्तैः लसन्मकरतोरणैः सवृन्दैः कदलीस्तम्भैः पूगपोतैश्च तद्विधैः. Happy and Dhruva and Uttama are placed on big elephant top or elephant male உட்கார்ந்து they are coming in grand fashion. All are welcoming them. The whole city is decorated. Every house is decorated with beautiful banana plants are outside, beautiful trees are outside, beautiful lightings, Purna Kumbhas are kept, and all the beautiful flower designs are made. All streets are swept clean like that. All the decoration तत्र तत्रोपसंक्लिप्तैः लसन्मकरतोरणैः सवृन्दैः कदलीस्तम्भैः पूगबोधैश्च तद्विधैः चूतपल्लववासस्रं मुक्तादामविलम्बिभिः उपस्कृतं प्रतिद्वारम् अपां कुम्भैः सदीपकैः चूतपल्लववासस्रं मुक्तादामविलम्बिभिः उपस्कृतं प्रतिद्वारम् अपां कुम्भैः सदीपकैः प्राकारैः गोपुरागारैः शातकुम्भपरिच्छदैः सर्वतो अलङ्कृतं श्रीमत् विमानशिखरद्युभिः प्राकारैः गोपुरागारैः शातकुम्भपरिच्छदैः सर्वतो अलङ्कृतं श्रीमत् विमानशिखरद्युभिः. The temples will be decorated during Utsava and all, right? Janmashtami Utsava, how they will decorate Namadwars, how they will decorate Srirangam temple during beautiful Perumal Utsavam, Vaikunta Ekadashi and Margari Masam and all that. And like that, beautiful Toranam banners are kept, beautiful Purna Kumbhas are kept, beautiful lighting and flowers and different type of flower decorations and mango leaves are all hung. And then the beautiful Prakare, Gopuragare, big golden domes are there, Gopurams are all decorated, Shada Kumbha Parichadehi, beautiful pots filled with water are all kept outside, Sarvato Alankritam Srimat Vimana Shikara Dhubihi. This doing this Alankara is also very addictive, you know. Many our Guruji, how he does worship in Namadwar during Janmashtami Utsav, how they decorate with so much basket of flowers come and they pour on Bhagavan like this, and so much different tulsi garland, rose garland, yellow color, blue, pink color, lotus flower garland, how they decorate so beautifully, big banana plants on either side, beautiful mandapam is set up, beautiful columns are set up. When you see how Mahans do puja, Sri Anna, how they do Purapad, how they decorate the palanquin and they bring for Purapad, you can see these are all from Bhagavatam. They all show that Bhagavata Dharma bookle irukkiradhu. They Mahans, when you go and stand in their presence, you can see like this. If they are Atlanta Bhaktas are saying, if you get a chance, go during some Utsava, either Guruji Jayanti or Janmashtami Utsava or Radha Ashtami. Such Utsava happen in Namadwar in Chennai. At that time, if you go, you will see they all chanted Bhagavata. Bhuvana Mami was there, Chandra Mami was there. 7 days Bhagavata, they are saying, Bhagavata is beautiful in our home, but when you sit in front of Mahan, and for 12 hours you chant Bhagavata daily Saptaha, it's amazing experience it seems. And proper break will be given for tea, coffee and food, everything. But people all take breaks and go and come, but Guruji is the one always sitting it seems. And in between Guruji is immersed in Bhava, and then suddenly Bhakta will come and say, my son is some son is not getting married, please help. Somebody will say, I don't have good job, please help. Like this Bhakta will come and take darshan in between. So like that, people who attended Saptaha, they were able to see Guruji for all the time, 12 hours each day, Saptaha, that's how they did. So these things, not in just book. When you are in Mahan Sannidhi, you will see like this decoration, you will see like how they enjoy Bhagavata, enjoy Katha, enjoy Kirtana. Time porde theriyadu. Young people says little kids and all, how will they sit for 12 hours? Our satsang kids, they sit. When kids are in satsang, they are different kids. They also enjoy it. So the whole family together when they are able to do it, that's great bhagyan. Young people, Guruji has trained like this, and they have all come. I've seen them 10 years ago how they were and how they are now. I see the difference. So, like this, all these decoration, all this beautiful celebrating Bhagavan and doing Utsava, like how they are doing Dhruva, you can see. So, Chuta Pallava Vasasram Mukta Dama Vilambibihi Upaskridam Pratitwaram Apam Kumbaihi Sadipataihi Prakare Gopuragare Shatakumbha Parichandaihi Sarvato Alankritam Srimad Vimana Shikaradhubihi मुष्टचत्वररक्त्याट्टमार्गं चन्दनचर्चिदं मृष्टचत्वररक्त्याट्टमार्गं चन्दनचर्चिदं लाजाक्षदैः पुष्पफलैः तण्डुलैः बलिभिर्युतम् लाजाक्षदैः पुष्पफलैः तण्डुलैः बलिभिर्युतम् मृष्टचत्वररक्त्याट्टमार्गं चन्दनचर्चिदं लाजाक्षदैः पुष्पफलैः तण्डुलैर्बलिभिर्युधम् ध्रुवाय पतिदृष्टाय तत्र तत्र पुरस्त्रियः सिद्धार्थक्षदद्यम्बु दूर्वा पुष्पफलानि च ध्रुवाय पतिदृष्टाय तत्र तत्र पुरस्त्रियः सिद्धार्थक्षदद्यम्बु दूर्वा पुष्पफलानि च beautiful akshata, fruits and flowers, and the divine smells are coming from all these, divine things. So, like this, all the places beautifully decorated. I'll remember two more instances as it comes. I'm just telling so that I'll forget otherwise. There, somebody said shared two things from Saptaha. One is that Guruji was saying why we do Abhisheka to Krishna. When we do Abhisheka to Bhagavan Govinda Pattabhisheka, beautiful Abhishekam happens, and Bhagavan is when Bhagavan is celebrated, we'll see in Bhagavata Shloka, all the land becomes so prosperous. The mountains are revealing gemstones. The water is so clear and fresh everywhere. The soil, the grains grow even without cultivating. The all the beautiful plants are growing in so much, thick flowers, fruits everywhere. And not only that, all animals they lose their evil personality and all come together. The tiger and the cow, the fox and the mongoose, the snake and the mongoose, the fox and the rabbit, all the animals which are against each other, they forget their evil tendency and come sit together because Krishna is crowned. The Krishna Ananda, the rest is flowing from Krishna, and all the people are feeling the rest when they do Abhishekam. So Guruji is telling why people, some people say, why you have to do pour milk on Bhagavan? Why you have to waste money to pour milk on some idol in stone like that? The Nastika will say, but what is the benefit of doing that? You see, in Govinda Pattabhisheka, and Bhagavan is celebrated as Bhagavan is everything. Bhagavan dan olagam. Bhagavan includes all the people. So when we serve that Bhagavan, we are serving all the people. So instead of going to poor man and serving, if we are serving Bhagavan, the poor man also gets, because the poor man is included in that Bhagavan who is all encompassing. So when we serve Bhagavan with when we pour milk on Bhagavan, all are pleased. Like we see in Bhagavad, how the whole world is prosperous when Bhagavan is celebrated. How the animals even are happy. How all the people are happy. So that is why we do Abhisheka. When you do something for Bhagavan, you're helping the all the people. So do for Bhagavan. Like this Guruji is teaching. When we offer Vastram, a new dress for Bhagavan, we are offering, we are helping the other, the poor. Bhagavan will take care of who it should go to. So we need not, if I do something, then I'll have ahankara saying, I did this for this person. But when we do it for Bhagavan, it will reach that person and no aham also it will be melted. So Guruji says, do it for Bhagavan. That is why in Hinduism we have the practice of doing Abhisheka, of doing, offering. Another beautiful thing that I remember, if you serve a Mahan, it is going to Bhagavan. Bhagavan and Guru Ayappan and Gurunadar are same. Many Mahans are there. For me, the three most influenced I am our Gurunadar, our Sri Sri Anna, our Mahapariva. In the north also, I am very influenced by the Vrajavasis, Barsana La Satsang by Ramesh Baba Maharaj. So, like this, Mahans are there. Many are like this. So, when we serve Mahan, it is going to Guru Ayappan. That was the tattva. How when long time ago, when Sri Sri Anna was a young boy and he was just walking, he got on from the train and he's walking in the railway station to go somewhere. A little boy came running and he's selling vadas. Train station children will sell some food items, so he's selling vadas. He's coming and giving to this boy Sri Sri Anna. He's very young, he's only a young boy. He says, here, you please take, and he gave to Anna and Anna ate. The young boy Anna, he didn't pay. He said, I don't want money, you just take. And somehow the boy just gave and he ran away. Like this, many he was selling, he just did casually. Many years later, Bhagavan came in the dream of Sri Sri Anna and showed him that boy. Bhagavan is saying, that boy who gave you vada, that day I gave him moksha. I gave him moksha, Bhagavan is telling. That kid, how? This is the power of Bhagavan and Mahapurusha Sangha. So he gave to Anna, he got moksha, he's telling. So like that, whatever they shared, whatever I remember, I'm sharing here. So the darshan of Mahapurusha is truly most auspicious. So whenever this COVID thing is so tricky and causing all the confusion, but on one side, the katha and the nama pravaha is happening everywhere. This is Bhagavan's way of fighting. This is also Mahabharata Yuddham. ஒரு இடத்துல COVID, ஒரு இடத்துல நாம பிரவாகம் and Bhagavata Katha, YouTube loading, people are loading in YouTube. People are creating more groups, join this group, that group, class, so much. This is Bhagavan's way. Whenever we get a chance, we should go. Like that, because otherwise idle mind will be devil's workshop. Idle continuous. Yeah, you're given opportunity. So like this, I was just took a little bit diversion to share that. Prishta Chatvara Ratyata Mardam Chandana Chachidam Lajakshadai Pushpapalai Tandulai Bali Vidyutam Truvaya Pati Drishtaya Tatra Purastriyah Siddhartha Chadadadyambu Durva Pushpapalani Cha Upajagruhu Prayunjana Vatsalyadashishasadihi शृण्वंस्तद्वल्गुगीतानि प्राविशद्भवनं पितुः उपचक्रुः प्रयुञ्जान वात्सल्यादाशिषस्ततिः शृण्वंस्तद्वल्गुगीतानि प्राविशद्भवनं पितुः महामणिभ्रातमये स तस्मिन् भवनोत्तमे लालितो नितरां पित्रा न्यवसिद्धिविदेववत्. महामणिव्रातमये स तस्मिन् भवनोत्तमे लालितो नितरां पित्रा न्यवसद्दिवि देववत्. All that singing, dancing, welcoming, and all the older city women are all showering blessing and doing Ashirvada to long live our Dhruva. And then all Dhruva comes and is given a beautiful mansion and is going to live in so much comfort. The rest of the story is Dhruva to exhaust his karma. He has to live now. See, we do Mahan Darshan, we come back home. Again, we have to do our daily day to day, right? Suddenly, we cannot just leave and say, I'm going to be in there only now. We have to come back as Grihastha and again lead our life and go through that karma, gati, then finish our karma, then reach like that. Dhruva has had darshan, now he's coming back home, now he has to live the rest of his life, exhaust all the karma. So the stories that come are what happened in Dhruva's life after that. Now he is given beautiful mansion to stay. Asanani maharhani yatra rauma upaskaraha hayappena nibashaya danta rukma parichadaha. Asanani maharhani yatra rauma upaskaraha hayappena nibashaya danta rukma parichadaha. Asanani maharhani yatra rauma upaskaraha यत्र स्फटिककुड्येषु महामारकतेषु च मणिप्रदीपा भाति ललनारत्नसंयुताः यत्र स्फटिककुड्येषु महामारकतेषु च मणिप्रदीपा भाति ललनारत्नसंयुताः म्यानि विचित्रैरमरद्रुमैः कूचद्विहङ्गमिथुनैः गायन्मत्तमधुव्रतैः उद्यानानि शरम्याणि विचित्रैरमरद्रुमैः कूजद्विहङ्गमिथुनैः गायन्मत्तमधुव्रतैः वाप्यो वैदूर्यसोपानाः पद्मोत्कलकुमुद्वतीः हंसकारण्डवकुलैः जुष्टाचक्राह्वसारसैः वाप्यो वैदूर्यसोपानाः पद्मोत्कलकुमुद्वतीः हंसकारण्डवकुलैः जुष्टाचक्राह्वसारसैः पालो राजर्षिः प्रभावं तनयस्य तं श्रुत्वा दृष्ट्वाद्भुततमं प्रपेदे विस्मयं परं वीक्षोडवयसं तं च प्रकृतीनां च सम्मतम् अनुरक्तप्रजं राजा ध्रुवं चक्रे भुवः पतिम् वीक्षोडवयसं तं च प्रकृतीनां च सम्मतम् अनुरक्तप्रजं राजा ध्रुवं चक्रे भुवः पतिम् आत्मानं च प्रवयसम् आकलय्य विशाम्पतिः वनं विरक्तप्रतिष्ठत् विमृशन्नात्मनो गतिम् आत्मानं च प्रवयसम् आकलय्य विशाम्पतिः वनं विरक्तप्रतिष्ठत् विमृशन्नात्मनो गतिम् उत्तानपादो राजर्षिः प्रभावं तनयस्य तं श्रुत्वा दृष्ट्वाद्भुततमं प्रपेदे विस्मयं परम् वीक्ष्योडवयसं तं च प्रकृतीनां च सम्मतम् अनुरक्तप्रजं राजा ध्रुवं चक्रे भुवः पतिम् आत्मानं च प्रवयसम् आकलय्य विशाम्पतिः वनं विरक्तप्रातिष्ठत् विमृशन्नात्मनो गतिम्. Let us build on. See, Uttanapada before the Raja only, now Raja Rishi by son's tapas, Appa got blessing. This beautiful quote has come today. भक्त संतान से पूर्वजों तक को भी विशेष लाभ होता है. भक्त संतान से पूर्वजों तक को भी विशेष लाभ होता है. By Ramesh Babaji Maharaj. When the santana is, bhakta, it also gives benefit to the ancestors. So like that, our Uttanapada is amazed by Dhruva. And then later on, he found Dhruva is growing up as a young youth, and all the council ministers are all happy, and all the citizens are all happy with him. So he decided to crown Dhruva as the Raja, and he in turn got intense Vairagya, and he left the forest to attain Bhagavan. ஆத்மானம் ச பிரவயசம் ஆகலைய விஷாம்பதி வனம் விரக்த பிராதிஷ்ட. இப்படிதான் நம்ம ராஜா அந்த காலத்துல இருந்தா, right? They enjoyed fully during their life. Then at the end, they are able to leave and go. That's amazing. So, Uttanapada, even though so prosperous, he left everything and attains Bhagavan. Atmanam cha pravayasam akalayya vishampadi manam virakta pratishtat vimarshanatmano gatim. Srimad Bhagavati Mahapurane Paramhamsam Samhitayam Chaturtha Skande Dhruvarajabhisheka Varnanam Nama Navamodhyayah. बोलिए ध्रुव महाराज की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जय भागवत देवा जय जय भागवत, जय जय राधा कृष्ण स्वरूप, जय जय भागवत देवा जय जय भागवत. Next week we have Sampurna Narayanyam. It is Narayana